Y'all, get ready for a soul-satisfying encounter that'll quench your thirst and fill your heart. In the blistering heat of Samaria, Jesus cooked up a recipe for redemption that's pure perfection, a hearty blend of forgiveness, mercy, and love. Grab a seat at the table and join us as we dive into the incredible story of Jesus and the woman at the well, where the feast of faith was served up big time, and a lifetime supply of living water was poured out in abundance. Jesus was traveling from Jerusalem to Galilee with his disciples, passing through the region of Samaria. Now, the Samaritans and Jews didn't exactly see eye to eye, but Jesus wasn't one to shy away from uncomfortable situations. He knew there was a special woman he needed to connect with, so he sent his disciples on ahead. Then, as Jesus rested at a well, a Samaritan woman came to draw water. He asked her for a drink, which totally caught her off guard. Jews and Samaritans didn't usually mix, but their conversation was more than just small talk. Jesus revealed he knew her past and offered her living water, a symbol of spiritual renewal. This encounter totally transformed the woman's life. She shared her story with the whole town, and many put their faith in Jesus. This story reminds us that Jesus sees beyond our labels and loves us unconditionally. He offers us living water, refreshing our spirits, and transforming our lives. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Tune in next time on the new Bible Animation channel for more inspiring adventures from the life of Jesus. See y'all on the next one. God bless y'all. Write down your favorite scripture in the comments section. Who knows, it might be a blessing to somebody. Thanks for joining us on this journey.